How to upload videos to YouTube using n8n. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically upload videos to YouTube using n8n. So here is what we are going to do in this video. We will set up a Google Drive as a trigger. So every time a video is uploaded to a specific folder, it kicks off the automation. Then we will set up a second Google Drive node, which will download that video in the binary format. Then at the end, we will upload that video on YouTube. So let's get started. If you talk about the requirement, first you will need a Google Drive account with the folder for uploading video. Then you need YouTube account with the API access. Then third, you need n8n install. It can be self-hosted or cloud version. So let's get started. First, I will save this workflow and create new workflow. Click on this plus icon to create a new workflow and click on this personal. Now first, I will add a Google Drive. Over here, click on this add first step, search for Google Drive. Now you will get two triggers. You have to choose changes involving a specific folder. Then you have to set up your credentials. So I have already created a video for setting credential. You can search and watch that video and set up your credential for n8n. Now you have to choose the folder. You can use different things to upload a video. I'm using this Google Drive just to more handy work. Now you have to select the folder. I have already created a folder differently. So as you can see here in the my Google Drive. So let me delete this video. And I have already created this YouTube upload folder. So you have to create as well. Now click on this folder option and search for your folder where the video will be uploaded. Now select that and then you have to select watch for. So I will choose file created. So it basically when a file is uploaded or created in that folder, it will trigger in that specific operation. Now I have set up a Google Drive trigger. Now let's add our Google Drive download. So just search for Google Drive and choose operation as a download file. Sorry, choose action as a download file. So click on it. Now from here, you have to select your folder. Instead of selecting from the list, you have to select by ID. Before that, you have to execute a previous node. So in order to execute your previous node, what you have to do is just upload a video on that Google Drive. So what I'm going to do is just upload that video. Now wait for a few seconds to upload the video. Now we have successfully uploaded our video. Let's get back to our workflow. Execute our previous node. Now we have successfully executed our first trigger. What you have to search over here, you have to search for ID. You have to drag that ID into this file. You have to search for this ID. So it basically a ID of your Google Drive folder. So if you don't found this ID, what you can do is go back to your Google Drive and So go back to your Google Drive and you can copy the URL of this much and just copy and paste into your node. Now I have added this json.id, so I don't need to copy and paste it. So if you don't found, you can search from top or you can just scroll down a little bit, you will find this. Now let's execute this step. Now wait for a few seconds. So it will download this video in the format of binary. So let's search. The end step is to add YouTube node. Click on the YouTube, and if you scroll down a little bit, you will find this video. You will find this action of uploading a video. Just select that. Now over here, you have to set up a credential for that. So click on this create new credential. You will find your auth redirect URL. You will need client ID and client secret. So how you are going to find that? Just copy this auth redirect URL and search for Google console cloud and scroll down a little bit. Click on this Google console cloud. Now at the top you will find this project, create a new project. If you are new to Google Cloud, you will find a option of create a project. Just simply click on that and create a new project. Now give the name and simply click on this create button. Now wait for a few seconds to create our project. Now click on the select project from this notification bar. Now at the left side you will find this 3 line. Just click on it, and in this navigation bar you have to find for API and services. Now in the API and services you have to click on this library option. Now over here into search for APIs and services you have to find for YouTube. Now in the YouTube you will find these 3 API keys. So you have to click on this YouTube data API v3. It basically allows you to upload videos, read files, and do a lot of things. Click on that and click on this enable API. So it will basically enable the API of YouTube. Now we need client ID and client secret. Just wait for a few seconds to enable the API. Now again, you have to click on this C line, or you can access from here. First, let's set up auth consent screen. Click on this auth consent screen and then click on this get started. Now first, enter your app information. It's like name, n8n, and click on this next button. You have to enter your user support before clicking on the next step. Click on the next, then you have to choose the audience. I will choose external because it will give you the access to test user with the Google account. Now click on the next, then you have to enter your contact information. I will add my email address over here and click on the next and click on this finish and create. Now we have created auth consent screen. Let's set up a credentials. Click on this create auth client, or you can go into client as well. So I will just simply click on this create auth client. Now from here you have to choose web application. Now then you have to give the name of your web application and scroll down into authorized redirect URL. Just simply click on this add URL button. Go back to your workflow, copy this auth redirect URL and paste over here and click on this create button. Now, as you can see, we get the client ID. Copy this client ID, paste it into client ID section in n8n. Now we need client secret. So before that, you have to go to audience. Click on the audience and click on this publish app. So and click on the confirm. So it will basically, your app will be available to any user with the Google account. Now go to clients. You will find the auth 2-point client IDs and their names. Click on this, which we have just created. Scroll down in additional information. Copy this client secret and paste into your n8n. And then you will get this sign in with the Google option. Click on this sign in with the Google option. Now you have to select account. Make sure you have same account where you have created the auth consent screen and client secrets. Now wait for a few seconds. Just simply choose your account. So just ignore this warning and go to n8n cloud unsafe. Now you have to give all the access, select all access and click on the continue. As you can see here, our account has been connected successfully. Now just simply close this. Now in the resource, you have to choose the video, and the operation, you have to choose the operation we are performing to automatically upload a video. Now I will choose upload. Now then you have to enter the region code. So I will search for India and select the India from this list. Now from here you have to add category name or ID. Now I will choose education. You can give title or you can add an expression as well. So I will add a YouTube tutorial on how to upload videos. Then execute this step. So as you can see here in the right side in the output, it will take few seconds to upload this video. The node has been executed successfully. Let's go back to our YouTube channel and see if the video is uploading or not. Now, as you can see here, the video is in the list and it is processing will be begin shortly. Now, we have successfully created a workflow where someone add a video on our Google Drive file. It will take that file and download in the format of binary, and then it will upload that video on YouTube automatically. So this is how you can upload video on YouTube using n8n. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.